Tired of Zillow stealing all the online real estate spotlight? Well, let's flip the script. First, niche down like a pro. Instead of targeting broad terms like houses for sale, focus on hyperlocal keywords. Think best waterfront condos in Austin, Texas, or family homes near top-rated schools in your specific neighborhood. This drastically reduces the competition. Next, research those keywords. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to find low competition, high-intent phrases your ideal clients are actually searching for. Incorporate these naturally into your website content, blog posts, and even your image alt text. Third, optimize your on-page SEO. This means ensuring your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and has clear headings, meta descriptions, and internal linking. Think of it as making Google's job of understanding your site as easy as possible. Fourth, build those backlinks. Reach out to local businesses, news outlets, and community organizations to get them to link back to your site. High-quality backlinks signal authority to Google. Fifth, dominate local SEO. Claim and optimize your Google My Business profile, encouraging reviews and consistently updating it with fresh content. Also, engage with customers on social media and link those profiles back to your website. Outranking Zillow takes time and consistent effort, but by focusing on niche keywords, on-page SEO, backlinks, and local SEO, you can significantly boost your website's ranking and grab the attention you deserve. Now go out there and crush it.